is a winding
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been the longest time since we've done a video like this. So in today's video I wanted to film clean and organise my home with me. I am so excited for this. It's been a long time coming because honestly I'm gonna base this video around my beauty room because it's crazy. Like, oh my god, it's actually like, I can't believe I'm going to show you the before because it's that messy. Like, it's crazy. To be honest, it's not really like there is stuff out and about, but it's mostly in the drawers. You open the drawer and you're like, holy it's got to that point now where I'm like, oh, I can't even find things in the morning to do like my everyday makeup. It's just, yeah, it's too much. It's too much. And it's the sort of thing where I just keep putting it off and it needs to be done. Like, it needs to be done. So I thought it'd be nice in this video not to make it too staged and too like, oh, this is the before and then in 10 minutes you can do the after. Like, I just wanted to do it really realistic and more vlog style so we can have a chat as well and a catch up, and then I can show you guys the realness of what everything looks like. I haven't touched anything. Oh, my computer's going off. I haven't touched anything to make it look like, oh, it's neat, but this is like my before. Like, I've just left it. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling on because I'm sure you guys want to see now. Yeah, it'll be amazing if you guys could subscribe if you're new to my channel. I upload 3 times a week every, what then? Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. Completely forgot. I was like, what? And hopefully I can have you guys on board and you can join the fam and stay updated with all of my videos. Anyway, let's begin because this is just, I feel like I'm procrastinating now, like talking to you guys when I'm just staring at it and I'm just like, this needs to be done. It needs to be done. I keep like sneezing and stuff so much today. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like there's just like dust in the room. Do you ever get like that? And I'm just like, my eyes are so itchy, but I've got makeup on so I can't rub my eyes. But I'm just like, ugh. Anyway, sorry, I keep rambling on. It doesn't, to be honest, obviously there's stuff there. It doesn't look too bad. Well, it is, but do you know what I mean? Like, it's doable. But then you open like drawers. I can't believe I'm showing you this. Like, look at this. I just can't get over it. Let's pop those in there. I can't even open that one fully because the ring light's in the way. But yeah, these are the drawers before and I want to completely transform them. Like, I did have these like little guard things underneath. I don't know if you can see, but they have completely been covered up. I can't even open this drawer fully because there's like stuff at the back. I don't even know what it is. So that's great, isn't it? And basically I got loads of new like perfumes and things like that. I've got sunglasses. I just got sent this in the post, which I thought looked really lovely. It's a new one. So yes, if you guys haven't tried this already, let me know what you think. But I love the fact that it's like a rose micellar water, but it's a glow as well, which looks good. Anyway, rambling on like per. So yeah, I'm not proud of this. I'm not proud of this. And I'm just so excited for it to be all clear. So we come to this part of the room. So that's over there. We come to this part. Oh, hello. And this is what this looks like. So this is things that I've been sent. Jessie got me some bits for Christmas, which needs to be put away. I think this is from Elf, things in here. These are some sort of drawer storage things that I'm going to use. So let's put them on there. And then that's something I need to take back from River Island and it's just been sat there for ages and I haven't taken it back yet. If you see my River Island haul, you'll know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I recently filmed an eBay and Amazon haul and I picked up loads of these like acrylic storages for drawers. So I've got 3 of those, which ideally I want just my makeup in these because, oh god, look at that. I think it will look so much better. And then I can put like hair stuff in these. I think that'll work well. So I can put like my hairbands in one of these, my clips in one of them, and I think, I don't know, I think we can do something with that. So yeah, these were from, I think they're both from Amazon or eBay, can't remember. Check out the haul because I linked everything in it. And then it just all needs like a tidy. To be honest, I'm going to insert a picture now of the before and after of this. I was dying to do all of this because the before was just so bad and messy that I couldn't handle it anymore. So I got myself one of these little storage things. They're quite hard to open. They do open, they're just hard to open. But yeah, I got like a nice acrylic jewellery storage thing, and it's completely sort of transformed this part of the room. But yeah, like I said, you guys will see the before and after, because the before was crazy. I was actually gonna wait until this video to do the before and after, but I got the new stuff and I was like, I literally can't wait. So I think I've done that last week, but all of this has been waiting and I've just been trying to like put it off, but I'm glad I can finally do it. So what I need is to go into the kitchen, I think. Sorry about the terrible lighting as well, may I just add. Anyway, I'm gonna use this basket here to take all of my makeup out and just put it into this basket. And I'm also gonna use some of my new cleaning products. So I need to use Windoline because everything in my beauty room is mirrored, basically. Mirroring off. Oh, and let's use one of these. I'm sorry if you can hear my washing machine. It's currently on. And there's washing up that I need to put away, as you can see, but I'm just, I leave that until whenever, so that's not a big deal. That's not a priority. These are the cleaning products I'm going to use. I'm going to anti-bac and then we'll disinfect, whatever, and then I'm going to use the Windoline, a little duster, which is the best duster ever, and then I don't know what else I need. I might use this for the insides of the thing. Literally, I'm all over the place at the moment. I just don't know. I don't know. Right, let's just shove it all in there. Right, let's go. I'm so excited for this to be done. I can't wait. I feel like it's been a long time coming for this and I've just been trying to put it off for ages. Okie dokie. Hello. So this is my current setup at the moment. So I think I'm going to start on these two drawers first, well them three actually, and then I can start doing the hair drawers at the bottom. So I think them two hair drawers, this one, and then that drawer underneath is basically like bits and bobs. But I think I'm just going to start up and go down. And then I can start putting away things like on here. I haven't actually got anywhere to put like my perfumes and things like that, which obviously need a home. So I'm hoping I can sort of clear out one of the top drawers and it can just be like fragrance and things like that. But I don't know if I'm hoping for too much here because I've got so much stuff, like literally so much stuff. So I've also got a bin bag here, which is like a little one, but I think I might have to swap that for the big ones we've got. And then a basket here, and I'm basically gonna put as much makeup as I can into these baskets, and I think the stuff I don't want I'll just give away, or if it's used, there's not really much you can do with used makeup. I'll probably see if my sisters want it, but I don't know, might have to just chuck it, I'm not sure. But yeah, anyway, let's go.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. About the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better. was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine, I'm alright, I'm celebrating my liberation, I'm moving strong, I'll get it done, I'm alright. Might be shaken but not stirred, just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes, tables turn, you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far, I know I'm so much better.
Obviously the before and after. Now I feel like it's organised mess. With makeup, especially when you have a lot of it, it's really hard to sort of make it look neat. I just hope that it stays like this anyway. But in this drawer we've got my go-to palette, so I always use the New Nude Huda Beauty. I can't talk. New Nude Huda Beauty. We've got my moisturiser, my favourite Elemis spray, the By Terry Cellulose CC serum, tanning drops, which I love, setting sprays. Obviously, if you guys have seen any of my recent videos, like my hauls and makeup tutorials and things like that, I am obsessed with Powerpuffs at the moment, so I ordered a load off Amazon. They are so good. I've got my beauty blenders, eyelash curlers, things like that, just random bits and bobs. And then in here is just the basic makeup that I use. To be honest, I mix and match a lot of these items. I probably use most of this on a daily basis. Obviously I'd use like one lip liner and stuff. There's just a huge variation of colours and things like that. Foundations, lipsticks, things like that. It's all very self-explanatory, but yeah, I'm so happy with these containers. I will link them for you guys down below if you are interested, because they're actually so good. And I love how organised everything is now. It honestly makes me so happy. So that is that drawer. And then this one, it looks messy. It's really hard to make it look neat. Because it's perfumes and stuff, so it's kind of hard to make it look all nice. But anyway, here is my perfumes. We've got my mirror in the back, scissors, razors, and then there's like sharpeners, and then in here's like the mini perfumes. How cute are they? The Moschino ones. So yeah, that's in that drawer. And then obviously on top of here, everything is so clear. We've got the brushes, these amazing brush holders. I will link them down below for you guys as well. I'll try and link as much as I can for you guys in the description box down below. But if you've watched my recent eBay and Amazon haul, which I filmed last week, I think it was, everything is linked in that video, so definitely go and check it out, because honestly I've got some really good stuff in there, like these, like everything. So definitely go and check it out. But anyway, I'm gonna leave this part. Oh wait, I haven't showed you this bit, sorry. Anyway, right, this is like my sock drawer, and it's full, so it always looks really messy. That needs to be organised. But anyway, this is this part of the room. I love my flowers. I actually got this from Tesco's, and then I just popped in a couple more roses, and I think it looks really cute. So yeah, that is this section of the room. I can't talk. This is like my iPad and stuff that I've just been watching, so that will obviously be put away any second. And then this part is like this. So it's just so nice to have everything all clear, especially this area. Like, I'm just so happy with it, because this is the area that I wanted to focus on in the video, so I'm just so happy. And then yeah, so today's Thursday. I always have like a proper home clean on a Friday, so I'm tempted to film as well tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm going to film tomorrow like a separate video, or I'll just add it into this one. I'll probably add it into this one because it's a cleaner one, and may as well, and you guys like the long videos, so why not? So yeah, instead of saying goodbye, I'll see you tomorrow, which will be the next clip.